What's up, everybody? Welcome to Wilson's Hobbies. This is Wilson, and today we're just gonna take a relaxing day off at a campground called Potter's Campground in Lebanon, Maine. So let's get right into this. Okay, I just came to the main office. I paid $55.50 for a night, for a day and a night. So check out time is 2 tomorrow, and I got some firewood for $5, some kindling, got it all in the back right here, and I got a map here of the place. So this place isn't really full right now, but I'm gonna go from the main office and I'm gonna go way up here just to check out these tent areas, and then I'm gonna work my way down here. And I'm gonna settle with getting one of these sites over here. It looks like this is where I'm gonna get the maximum amount of privacy. In the tent site area, there's like 4 tent sites. This doesn't have electrical hookup and all that, but I don't need that. We're gonna go right in here. X2. This is our camping spot. I could probably put a hammock right there, or maybe over here. There's our fire pit right there. Oh yeah, we're on a body of water, guys. Alright, so I'm just gonna unload and just get set up, and we'll be right back with you. I got the gear top bivvy set up. This is actually going to be my first time camping with this bivvy. I did a video about a couple years ago, I believe, of me just putting it together for the first time. Now I have a new air mattress. We'll see how that does. And I have an air inflator. I tested this out, works really good. Perfect. All right, I have the sleeping bag here, and it's supposed to be like 40 degrees tonight, so this should be nice and toasty. We'll get this all set up really fast and easy like. I have this pillow here that can roll up and be tied up, so you can have less space in your bag. We'll try this for the first time. And I have this Trekology pillow, just in case I need it. I'll just blow it up. Rechargeable USB fan. I use this at home, but this will be good just in case it gets uncomfortable for whatever reason. We got our gear top bivvy all set up. It's all ready to rock. We got our hammock all set up. We got a fire pit. So we're gonna check out Potter's Place by Electric Unicycle. See what it looks like all around. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the whole campground best as I can. This is the main road. Here we are, Potter's Place. Alright, so we have some tent only campsites here. Fairly private. This is mine over here. Plenty of places to park your RV. I'm not going to show all of this because I want to give people privacy, but pretty nice, huh, guys? So there are nature trails here and everything. It's a big property, guys. I think it's old farmland converted into, you know, a camp. So it's not too busy. It's very quiet. Very quiet. This is obviously after Memorial Day, and I'm sure this place will start getting busier once 4th of July comes around. So we got this huge field up here. Huge field, and I think this is where the nature trail goes around. Okay, that was just a small little tour of Potter's place, and there's really no cell signal here. I'm in SOS mode, so I had to go to that little pond all the way back there to get just a little bit of signal. So, oh well, that's the way it is. Okay guys, it's lunchtime. I'm going to be using this Ozark Trail 2-in-1 butane set, so you can either use this or the griddle. Okay, like that. Good to go. I think it's a non-stick pan. It better be anyway. Okay. Whew, this is really fun, guys. This is what I've been wanting to do for a long time, is camping, you know, just recreational camping. Stealth camping is good too, but I just like to have a little bit more luxury. So we have some hot dogs. I have 4 hot dogs. I'm gonna cook 2 hot dogs just to begin with. I have some leftover Italian rolls. We'll substitute that as our hot dog bun. Let's bring in more carbohydrates, shall we? We'll put some potato chips. We also have some potato salad. I bagged that up. And, I have mixed condiments. I have ketchup, mustard, relish. I've been using these for work. I don't know if you've seen these at Walmart. The thermos, and this is where I put my water in. I have 2 of these actually. I have one that I keep at work and one at home, and I brought 2 of them with me today, so we have plenty of water today, guys. Oh yeah, you can't forget Mountain Dew, guys. Okay. 2 hot dogs. Do we want a 3rd hot dog? Now we'll just do 2. Look at this, guys. Probably can fit 2 hot dogs. So we're gonna do something special with this. This brings me back to my motel days, where you just get creative. So let's put some, we'll just do it on one. We'll just put some potato salad on there. Okay. We'll put a little bit of chips there. Actually, we'll crumble up the chips. Some people might say, ooh, that's gross. Put that on there. Oh, that's good. Well, I'm gonna eat this, guys, and I'll be right back with you. All right, so we just finished our lunch. It was good. I'm full, and to tell you the truth, I actually might take a nap in the hammock over there. I am boiling up some water. Drink some of this here. Some cappuccino. I probably should have put the powder on the bottom first. I think that's what you're supposed to do. What's up, guys? I'm in the hammock right now. It's around 1:30 right now in the afternoon. Just on my Steam Deck, playing some Onimusha Warlords. It's pretty cool. It's like Resident Evil. So it's pretty chilly out. Just relaxing. You know what I mean? This is the life. And I might go explore again in a little bit, just to get out and about. And an excuse to ride the V9. So here we go. The thermocell running. I'm gonna let that do its magic for a little bit. And it's getting a little cloudy. It's pretty windy out. So yeah, it's better than rain, right? see if we can check out more things out around here. Okay, we're back at this spot here. These things are great, guys. If you ever needed to get around quickly without needing a car, this is what you should get. Perfect. I'm gonna turn it off though. That would be a good camping wheel. Put to the test. I was thinking, what would it look like if I converted this into a camper? And lo and behold, there's enough room back here to make this my camping setup if I need to go somewhere. And I could always put my electric unicycle in the front. But look, there's plenty of room. Guys, this is wicked comfortable in here. I'm gonna make good use of this freaking Jeep from now on. Holy shit. This mattress that I'm using, it is super comfortable. I'm just gonna rest and relax here for a little bit and just take in the quiet. It is super, super quiet here. It feels like you have this whole campground to yourself. That's what it feels like. Just needed to get out of the wind a little bit, so it's nice and toasty in here. So that's good. All right, we're gonna take a little ride on these little nature trails out back here. I just did a little test run, and now we're just gonna show you on video. You hear that? That's the sound of water. Sound of water. Oh, hey, hey, get back over here. Oh, there we go. At 43% battery, so next time I'll come out here with a full charge. Pretty cool, guys. What do you guys think? Let's get back to camp. Okay, guys, that was pretty cool. Really good trail system. We went through one thing of water already. I'm on my last battery on my GoPro, so I really need to conserve it. We're gonna make a fire. Oh boy, we're gonna make a fire. So we're gonna let that fire just grow just a little bit, and once it kind of settles a little bit, we'll start cooking our hamburgers. So we got some burgers seasoned with some Himalayan salt, pepper, garlic. All right, let's put these babies on. These hot dogs. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, I got that ready to go. The potato salad, the chips. Buns. Ooh, I got smoke in my eye. This is how I like my hot dogs, guys. I like them black. And hamburgers are all done. All right, guys, this is what I call a good day. So we'll do a burger first. I forgot to bring the cheese. Still a little red inside. Yep, no mosquitoes now. Okay, I took it off. We'll feed the fire in a little bit. We'll keep that going until it's time to go to bed. Okay guys, it's a little bit later in the day. It's 7:42. It's almost time. It's gonna get dark here soon, probably another hour. I say now is a good time to make some s'mores. And I got these stuffed puffs, filled marshmallows, classic milk chocolate in the middle. So we got the marshmallow, we got the chocolate, and we got the graham crackers. So let's get graham crackers open. I haven't had s'mores ages, guys. Ages. Here we go. Let's see how good this is gonna be. Yeah. Is this how we want it? Let's put it in there just a little bit longer. Something like that. Okay, we're gonna have a burnt s'more, guys. I'm not too certain if the chocolate's melted though. Mmm. 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 Okay guys, it's getting dark out as you can see. It is 8:26. Sun is going to be completely gone around 9 o'clock. We're all set here. I'll take you guys into the bivvy here in a few minutes. Okay, here's our bivvy. Give you guys a tour. Alright, so we got our pillows in there. We have our sleeping bag rated for 30 degrees Fahrenheit. We have our fan going, connected to a portable battery. Come with me guys, let's go inside. Plenty of room in here. I am just gonna play some games on my portable gaming system and probably fall asleep, hopefully. I'll see you in the morning guys. This has been a great day. Good morning guys. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and you guys might be wondering, why are you waking up so early when you're going camping? I didn't sleep too good guys. Why didn't I sleep good? The sleeping bag felt very narrow. Wasn't a lot of room to move around in. It was warm. It was good in that way. What else? The pillows, they're not comfortable. These camping pillows are not comfortable. I'm gonna have to just bring my own pillow next time. I'm gonna make some coffee or that cappuccino. Let's get this morning started. I need this, guys. Holy cow. It's hot. Hopefully this has caffeine in it. Alright guys, we're at the end of this video. Picked up everything. Everything's all packed, ready to go. I hope you really enjoyed this video. The only thing I can think of about this camping trip is I just Needed to adjust my camping gear a little bit more. But pretty much we're there. It was pretty good. It was fun. Nice and relaxing. We'll see you on the next episode. Wilson's Hobbies. Peace out.